Hey everybody, I'm just showing you the latest iteration of the kit. So I put the large nerd pouch on front. You saw I already had the raid pouch down here. I added another Haley Strategic single mag pouch here. I put the the small nerd pouch here. I took off the big freaking gun pouch and put the nerd pouch here. I like the idea of having pockets, places to put stuff, but that was just too much with it full of those mags. It was like way too much for my arm. I didn't like having that lump there. Another thing I did is I went ahead and removed the retention straps from the single mag pouches over here. The Haley Strategics M2 inserts do not require it. Plenty of retention. Look at that. This is the brand new one on this side. Plenty of retention. The Shaw RAM inserts provide plenty of retention on the placard. I do not need more retention there. Another thing, I kept seeing these up armor things kind of like out instead of like hugging my body. And one thing that I found is trying to tuck them in between the cummerbund and the side bucket bag in here. If you tuck it back, if you tuck it between that and the cummerbund and then close it, they turn out a little bit better. The bottom of the cummerbund, or the top of the cummerbund into the bottom of the back bag is low. So, but in order for my plate carrier to sit right, like this is right where it's supposed to be here and right where it's supposed to be there, this is kind of how these are parallel in. So that's what it looks like. Hope that helps.